Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run phone diagnostics on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up, click on settings, click on device care. Now from here you want to scroll all the way down to where you find diagnostics. Tap on that. Keep in mind, if you're opening this for the first time, you might need to accept some terms and conditions before you proceed. Now click on phone diagnostics at the top and you realize that it have 22 different things to test here. So it will go through and test all of those functions on your phone. So you will have to be patient and wait for this to complete. So all you have to do now is just simply click and test all, and you have to wait for all of those checks to do. It is normally very fast to check them. So as you can see, it's currently going through and testing and checking all of my different features here on my phone, and you just have to be patient. So let's allow my phone to continue. As you can see, it has gone through 7 to 8 of them. So we just have to be patient and wait for this to complete. Now, as you can see, guys, I've went ahead and tested almost all of these applications. The reason why I've skipped a few, and the ones that I've skipped was basically the touch screen section and a few others. But as you can see, this is how you can easily go ahead and do a test on your phone. If you find value within this video, guys, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and if you have any question, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.